Everybody, happy Wednesday. We have about 1 week left of school, which is crazy. If you forgot or if you didn't see the email or whatever, then I'll tell you now that your Chromebooks are going to be returned next Thursday. So sixth graders are going to be bringing your Chromebooks in next Thursday. So you're going to be going to school, dropping off your Chromebooks, and then they'll probably let you get your stuff that you left too. Not entirely sure, but so yeah, even though you have school technically until Friday next week, you won't have your Chromebooks after like Wednesday. So we're going to kind of count next Wednesday as our last work day for this summative, and keep that in mind for your other classes too. That next Wednesday will basically be your last online work day. So you need to have this all done by next Wednesday. That's still a whole week. Plenty of time. We're not adding anything new besides that. Maybe a survey though, actually, but we'll get to that. So our learning objective, I can effectively research someone that inspires me and create a research presentation on them or express myself by creating a piece of artwork. So many of you are working hard on these, either option 1 or option 2. I've gotten a few submissions, which is great. Just make sure you're looking at the rubric. If you submitted it and it's not quite what you could do, like if I think you can put in more effort, I might ask you to or just kind of correct it and put in that extra effort, but that's just for some of you that have submitted it already. So all you're doing today is continuing to work on either option 1 or option 2. You still have all week, so you don't need to rush through this and finish it. And also just make sure you're looking closely at the rubric, like I said. I'm going to be posting an example later on option 2. A couple people asked for that. So like the research presentation, I'll have an example of that for you to look at. So if you are waiting for that, don't rush to do your summative until you see that if you're waiting. I'll also be posting directions on how to submit your summative if you're doing option 2. So option 1 is just like an assignment like normal. Option 2 has directions for how to create your own presentation. So I'll have a video showing how to share that with me as a submission. Okay? So that's all for today. I did mention in the initial directions that you need to create a Flipgrid kind of presenting your presentations, your summative. I haven't gotten to that point yet, so we will be doing that, but you don't need to worry about that yet. So just worry about working on it. And yeah, I think that's all for today. So just stay tuned, and there will be a video explaining how to submit your option number 2, and then also an example of option number 2 for you to use. Okay? All right, just keep letting me know if you have questions. Don't just sit there confused. I'll get back to you within like 10 minutes basically today, because that's what I'm working on, is helping all of you. So, all right, just join office hours or email me or whatever, and we'll get through this. I'll help you with it. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.